Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics, from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any questions, please drop it for me in the comments. Today we'll be having a quiz, and this is just to remind us of everything that we have learned. Let's go. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please drop it for me in the comments. I'll see you in my next video.